Whoa, stop. In case you don't know, I'm Shane. I'm Fran's annoying other half. And I've decided to do this my way. So it's my time to do the voiceover. So let's rewind it. And let's do this my way. Hit it.
Sweet like wine, got honey on her tongue.
Please hold tight.
One hand on the Bible, she got one hand on the gun. She squeezed that trigger, you as good as done.
Fran, meet the word. Word, meet Fran.
I should be running from you, darling, now to kingdom come.
Welcome back to the Italian Hedges channel. This week we find ourselves travelling from Plymouth, UK, all the way down to a tiny little village called Roccaspinalveti in Abruzzo.
Try my best, but there's some lessons hard for me to learn. Like good boys don't play with bad girls. Good boys stay away from them bad girls.
This week's property we've nicknamed the Military House, and we are being shown around by the ladies at Exclusive Properties. I'll put the link in the description so you can check out their website. Spoiler alert, we didn't actually like this house, but it still gives the insight of what you can get for your money. I think this was on the market for about €80,000. As you can see, I mean, it's a decent sized kitchen. All needs updating. And the Italians have a habit of having sofas and beds everywhere in the house. As you can see, we're still downstairs now, so this is a downstairs bedroom, double bed, sofa, and it has a bathroom attached. Now, I don't think it was originally there. I think it was made for an elderly person, leading outside into the back garden. Now, I left this next clip unedited as we head upstairs, just so you can see the sheer size of this house. I mean, it's a massive house. And as they turn right into the first bedroom, it obviously used to be 2 bedrooms and they've knocked it into 1, but it is absolutely huge. You'll see when the camera turns around, Fran and the estate agent just absolutely get lost in this room. It's so big. And this is one of 3 bedrooms upstairs. So off into the next bedroom now, you can see a huge double bed and a single bed and wardrobes, and the room still has plenty of room. So if space is what you're after, then you know this house has it for you. Every home isn't complete without that Italian dream view, and this house does not disappoint. Although that I saw here for us that we didn't know about is that the neighbour's workshop and barn is so close to us on the left side there. So another reason why we didn't like this house. There are more rooms to view in this house, and I'll let the video play out. But if you do like what we're doing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and if you want to support us in our journey and help us along the way, we now have buy us a coffee link. Link is in the description. But I have a feeling after the way I've done this week, Fran's not going to let me do another one. So if I could have more likes than Fran's video, that'd be great. So until next week's guys, with our next property, have a safe one, and I'll see you soon.